how to find ideas for illustrations and drawings. It happens often when I have all my supplies ready. I want to draw, but I don't know what. I'm staring at a blank page, and a blank page is staring at me. I like then combine two random words to create a prompt for my drawing. I did this for this illustration when I combine winter and flowers. Over here I saw a zucchini and it was a laundry day. I was sleepy and those flowers was behind my window, and I had cereal for breakfast and it was a really hot day. So what if you saw a cat and you want to drink a coffee? You can draw a cat who's taking a bath in a cup of coffee because it's nice and warm. Or you can draw a cat who is drinking your coffee when you're not looking. This one has milk foam and it's really tasty. Or you can draw a cat who is working at a coffee shop. I like this coffee shop. It's the best coffee shop in town because their motto is "We don't taste your coffee," and they deliver their promise. Or you can draw a cat with a coffee shop on its back. And now you can create the whole story. Why does it have a coffee shop on his back? Did he steal it and is running to a forest? Or maybe he's selling a coffee in a town. And is he that big? Or maybe everything else is that small? In my story, he's selling coffee to busy bees who are dreaming about a honey macchiato. You can go really wide with your ideas because there's no limitation. You can draw anything. And these are finished illustrations. If you want to combine two random words, you can screenshot or look at the words in this description and combine two random words to create your own prompt for illustration and drawing. So that will be an exercise for you if you struggle with ideas.